trust in me. Open your heart and you will see. Through the darkness, through the pain, I am with you again and again. Do not fear, don't lose your way. My light will guide you every day. Love, faith, trust in me. All you need to see is the miracles in me. Healing hearts and setting free. Jesus is my name.